Hey y'all, so I just want to make a quick video on this towel vibration tool that I have. This is actually pretty cool. So this is the case that it comes with. It has an adjustable strap right here. What is on the inside, some instructions, and then this is what it looks like. So it has a tool. It comes with 2 batteries, which is awesome, and then a charger. So this is how you use it. So you'll have your tool like this, and you'll grab a battery pack. And then this just slides right on the bottom like this. And we'll click in. Has an on and off right here. So you want to put that on right here, and then this has like a suction. So what you'll do is this handle right here changes this shape so that you'll put it down right here and then pull this handle up and it will put the suction on. And then this is how you start it up. It has 5 different modes. So this is on the lowest right here. So you'll push the mode right here and it can do the different levels. And then this is the startup. So you'll hold that. So you'll hold it like this and hold this. And there's also a level right here. So you can do that. So you'll hold this and different vibrating. And then if you want to increase the vibration, you'll push that mode. So that's on the highest mode. That's the next. And then that's the lowest one. So this is really cool, very handy. Love that it comes with 2 batteries and that it's compact and it does its job. So definitely would recommend.